second project you're going to create will be an animated light show. So the first thing you need to do is go to the website makecode.microbit.org. And you don't have to put the / or the hashtag. Then you're going to click New Project, and I will call this Light Show, and hit Create. It takes us over to our code here. And so this actually is a really easy thing to do. It's a lot like the last project that we made, the beating heart. So where do you think we should go first in the code? If you're not sure, you can also just click on things and poke around and take a look. So I'm going to grab my show LEDs and I'll start my light show. And how would I create more of an animation? What else would I add? Again, you can just take a look and look at different things here. I'll go to Basic, click Show LEDs, and then I will click a different sequence. So now when I play this, it looks like that, where it flashes back and forth. And the more items that you add to this, the cooler it's going to look. So I would add a lot of things to this so that it looks different, and then it's flashing and you kind of have like a real light show. Test it out and see what it looks like on the virtual microbit over here. Once you guys have way more than I do here, I want you to hit make sure that your microbit is connected. So I just connected my microbit, and you might hear it making some sounds right now. I'm going to click download, and I want to pair this, so I'll hit pair now. I will click next, and it says pair your microbit to the computer by selecting BBC microbit. I'll hit next again. Up at the top, I'm going to click on my microbit to select it, and then the connect button turns blue. I'm going to click on connect, and then I'm going to click done. Now on my microbit, I should see my animated light show. So I hope you have fun with this, and if you have any questions, please ask.